In Google Classroom, there are a lot of different ways to communicate with your students. So the goal of this video is just to give you an overview of the class stream, how you can use it to help you, and sort of what its purpose is. So whenever you log into your classroom, the first thing you'll see is the stream. Now, this is a place for you to share announcements with your students. It's a great way for you to give the links to meetings, or, hey guys, I'm noticing a lot of you are having problems with question number 5. Remember, it's asking you to not think of something. It's not a place for you to actually share the assignments. So let's take a look at how it works. It's really easy. You just click into it, and I can actually choose to post something to both of my classes at the same time, which is great for those of you who teach multiple sections of the same course but want to keep things separate. And then I just type in this box. So one thing I like to use this for is to open a class-wide discussion. So I can ask a question, and then I post it, and it appears on this stream for the students, and then they can use this add a class comment feature to open a discussion for everybody to answer and everybody to hear what their classmates have said and post their own response. The other thing this is great for is giving just really quick supplemental material. And you can add a YouTube file, and I have the URL, so we'll go that way. Right in there, it attaches it for the students. I post it, they can all view it. Now, I can also add materials to this. So if I add, I can upload a file, or I can go from my drive where I already have the file, and I can attach that as well. But you'll see I never get the option to make this viewable differently to students. So it attaches it, and they will always see it as a material. And so this is why this is best used for announcements, because it will always post your newest thing on top, and it just creates a running feed of things you're sharing. So think about really carefully how you're going to use this. It is not for creating activities. It is not for sharing assignments with students. It's just real quick materials, updates to the class. Hey, remember we're meeting in 10 minutes. But it's good functionality.